Today I'm headed to my dad's house. It just snowed a bunch, probably like a foot. Before it starts raining and sleeting and doing whatever else it's gonna do, I wanted to get out and take George for a really good gallop in the nice soft snow. Let's see if we can get to my dad's house before the rain starts. So as you can see, it started sleeting outside very badly, but the ground is still pretty soft. So I'm gonna try and ride while it's like that and not too crunchy. All right, ready to go. Stand still. Oh. Okay. The Grand Trunk Trails in Brimfield, Massachusetts are such a great place for me to take George to run. The section of the trail we always gallop on is about 2 miles of straight and flat ground. These trails were once an old railroad. The reason the railroad was never finished was because the founder died on the Titanic. After walking and trotting for a couple of miles, we finally reached the straightest part of the trail. Well, isn't that fun? Good boy. Oh, your hair is all over your ears. Whew. What's wrong with your ear? Did you get stuff in it? We'll go home now. Look at that hair. You're sweaty. It's because you're so excited. Okay. Oh. Oh. Good boy. Okay. Yep. George, that doesn't mean run. George's favorite part of every ride is when I let him gallop home. Unfortunately, parts of the trail had streams that had run over them, making it slippery. We had to wait until the last long trail to really get going again. I hope you behave. Let's get around this giant stick first. All right, you want to go? Go ahead then. walk. Good boy. Good boy. I don't know if you can see the steam pouring off of him, but it's quite a large amount. He's soaked, a mix of sweat and like hail and rain and snow. So I'm gonna throw a cooler on him. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see more of George, definitely hit subscribe and like the video too.